Hi, everyone. So great to see you all. My goodness, you hop on fast here. That is fantastic. How is everyone's Monday going? It is really beautiful weather here, and I hope you're getting the good weather there as well. And it's just great to get the good weather. Yay! Us Irish love talking about the weather. So if it's something you don't know about us, you have to learn that about us. We always talk about the weather. So, um, Mairead Monday Moments, please welcome, first of all. And this is really just highlighted chats from Mairead Mondays that I did during the kind of lockdown. And I wanted to bring back some of the highlighted chats that I had with the most amazing, amazing people, um, you know, then at that time. Keeping us all uplifted and waiting for everything to open and that kind of thing. And even though lots are back, the music industry has got up from its knees. It's not standing yet, but it's certainly got up from its knees, and it is really fantastic to have a lot of things back. And a lot of artists, though, are not back yet. So it is really important to support your favorite artists on their websites. And also, a lot of the tours that are happening now are the ones that literally were postponed from 2020 and 2021, even some concerts as early as 2029. Sorry, 2019, not 2029. We're not there yet. So it's great though to see the venues coming back, and you know I sometimes forget about that. The artists are finding it hard to get back like normal, but the venues are too. And support your local venues, and um, don't be afraid to see some amazing things that are happening at the moment, and they all have their own guidelines. And just have a fantastic time, everybody, safely. And uh, so my highlighted chat today is with the brilliant as well as beautiful Mairead Carlin. And all of you know her as a solo artist and also as a member of Celtic Woman for a few years. And she is the most amazing vocalist and amazing person. And her husband, Ronan Scollard, is the most amazing musician as well. And I got to do some really great collaborations during the lockdown with the most amazing people. I'm so I'm so lucky to have had some collaborations with people, and one was with Mairead Carlin and her husband Ronan, and also the fantastic um, Trussell Trust Fund. Very difficult to say that. The Trussell Trust Fund um, did collaborations with the Speyside Sessions, and that was to raise money for people for food and for basic things in the lockdown in the UK. So that was an amazing collaboration, and I loved doing it. And you'll notice a few very familiar faces in this collaboration. And of course, you'll notice Mairead, and she sings them absolutely incredibly. And also a certain hunky doctor from Grey's Anatomy. So I won't say any more. But first of all, I want to wish my brother Noel a very, very happy birthday, Noel, all the way in Tipperary. And I have a number here that I would love to play for you guys. You've seen it already, I know, but I just love playing with my family, of course, and um, playing tunes and having the crack and telling stories. And I definitely have it here somewhere. And I just love these few tunes. And we're playing tunes here by the fantastic Joni Madden. And I can't remember the other one, but I think we introduce it here. So happy birthday, Noel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. And here we
Yeah.
Yeah. So
These are great tunes.
they are.
Um,
The first one I think is Joni Madden wrote it.
yeah, the cat's meow, is it?
That's me out. Yeah.
Shout out to Joni.
Hey Joni.
And then
Second
the
The Humours of Glen.
Humours of Glen.
The Humours of Glen.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Try twice
We'll
each?
Try twice.
Yeah,
each.
okay.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Happy birthday, Noel! Hope you're having a fantastic evening in Ireland, and I hope you're having a few tunes. I loved playing those few tunes with Noel out in the sun, and it's such beautiful weather, and Ireland looks so gorgeous when the sun is shining and the birds are singing, and it's just so nice. Anyway, I want to, of course, tell you about my new um, show, Celtic Spells. So, it is so exciting. I'm so excited about it. And there's a few dates being added in 2023. We have, of course, the Admiral Theatre, and now we have the Gallo Theatre in California. And so we're going to be on the West Coast for 2 weeks, at least. In 2023 in March. And so I'm so excited about that. Again, as I said before, venues are, picking up, trying to pick up, and just, it's so great that they're really trying and getting people out and just uplifting people with music. And I know that a lot of people have said some amazing things about Celtic Spells. So here's a taster of Celtic Spells. Again, I always play it every week so that you get a bit of a taste of what's in store. And this is just a tiny taste of Celtic Spells. I hope you like it.
Celtic spells, two hearts, a forbidden love, one life, one dream, a voyage to a new land across the sea.
Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing. Onward the sailors cry. Speed, bonny boat, like a bird on the wing. Onward the sailors cry. Carry the land that's born to be king over the sea to sky.
I hope you enjoyed that, guys. I know I'm so excited. I know lots of questions, questions, but follow Celtic Spells on Instagram at Celtic Spells. I'll just throw it up here again. You'll see it. That's what it looks like. And here we go on Facebook. There you go, guys. Celtic Spells, simple. Just follow us on Instagram and you'll get all the details and lots of fun behind the scenes and the dates as well. And also follow Ed Keane Associates on Facebook and YouTube and Instagram, all the platforms, and then you'll get all the information there as well. Of course, go to my website, maireadnesbitt.com. It has all the information there. I'm going to be putting, updating all the bands in town, dates as well for Celtic Spells, and also some concerts coming up and some very hush secret things coming up as well, which I can't talk about yet, and I wish I could, but I will be able to talk about it next week. I hope. I'm so excited. So yes, and I have a concert coming up with the amazing Scarf School with Stephen Scarf, and he's world champion dancers in Utah. That's coming up in July as well. So that is going to be updated on Bands in Town, and follow the Scarf School on all platforms. They have a very, very active social media. So you'll have great time at that as well. And Ryan Murray, the beautiful vocalist that you just saw on Celtic Spells there, and who always works with me. She's just incredible. She will be singing in Utah also with me and with the Scarf School. So that's going to be a great concert. So the link for those tickets, the ticket link, will be up soon as well. So I just wanted to show you that because I'm so excited, and we are finished the album. We're just finishing mixing, we're going into mastering, and we are delighted with it. We are just doing the order of the tracks and everything, and some questions about what platforms it's going to be on. It's going to be on everything. I will keep you posted. Just tune in here, and with your coffee and everything for Mairead Monday Moments, or visit my website. All of the above. We'll keep you posted. Don't worry. Also, on Facebook, there's my own private group, and they're going to get all the information first because they're in my private fan club. And also follow Mairead Fan Forum, which is an amazing fan forum run by Mike Brown and all my amazing friends in the fan forum. They're fantastic as well. Don't forget to check out my website. It is really amazing. Even if I say so myself, it is. So what did we do last week? I was giving out beautiful little packages with orders, and I have a few left. So you get the custom lanyard and also a piece of Solstice jewelry and my autographed note. And Fiddle Book is back in stock. Thank you so much. And it's signed as well by the author Kathleen Nesbitt and myself. This is my own personal copy. You can't have this one. That's mine. So do visit the website. I am not putting up any videos with music for my website because Facebook and YouTube instantly cut me down for using my own music, weirdly. So it's the bots, guys. It's not real people, it's the bots. So because my music is published, it's not allowing me to use my own music. So please go to my website, please support me, and you will get this amazing. I have a few left. I have about 20 of these left. So hurry on to the website and order some amazing stuff. Thank you all for the people who have bought violins this week, who have bought custom bows, my custom rosin by Magic Rosin. Amazing, amazing. And so many other things. I am so grateful to you guys for visiting maireadnesbitt.com. I really am. There's so much fun stuff there, and great deals and great lessons. Thanks also to the people who I visited for lessons this week. And I have a few tonight and a few tomorrow. And I even have a lady from France tuning in as well. So it's great to give lessons to people from all over the world. So I'm really happy about that. So do you want to hear the chat of Mairead Carlin? I'd say you do. This is the most amazing chat, and I love this girl so much. She is an amazing solo artist, and she isn't with Celtic Woman anymore because she has branched out on her own, and she is doing the most amazing solo work, and she is quite often on stages for her concerts. Please follow, and I'm sure you do, Mairead Carlin on all her socials and whatever she's doing, because she's amazing. And here we go with the chat. I hope you enjoy it, and do visit maireadnesbitt.com whenever you can, and have a great Monday, everyone. And here we go. I want to, in honor of Mairead, before we get into it, someone said to me last week that musicians have really brought everybody up, really lifted everyone up in this time. And I think it's a wonderful thing that every musician I think I know, including myself and including Mairead and her brilliant, brilliant husband, Ronan Scollard, have done amazing collaborations. And this is a beautiful, beautiful video from their home. And I hope you enjoy it. And I know you're really excited to see Mairead, but have a listen here and I know you're going to love it.
You've given me a million reasons to let you go. You've given me a million reasons to quit the show. You've given me a million reasons, give me a million reasons, give me a million reasons, about a million reasons.
If I could find a highway, I would run for the hills. If you could find a dry way, I'd forever be still. But you've given me a million reasons, about a million reasons, given me a million reasons.
I bow down to pray and try to make the world seem better.
Lord, show me the way to cut through all this worn out leather.
I've got 100 million reasons to walk away. But baby, I just need one good one to stay. Oh.
Head stuck in a cycle, I look off and I stare. It's like that I stop breathing but completely aware. Cause you're giving me a million reasons, about a million reasons, giving me a million reasons.
And if you see something that you might even mean, it's hard to even fathom which parts I should believe. Cause you're giving me a million reasons, give me a million reasons, give me a million reasons, about a million reasons.
I bow down to pray, I try to make the worst seem better.
Lord, show me the way to cut through this worn out leather. I've got 100 million reasons to walk away.
But baby, I just need one good one to stay.
Baby, I just need one good one to stay.
How amazing is that? How amazing is that? Are you all crying? Because, oh my God, that's just stunning, stunning. As always, Mairead Carlin has the most crystal, beautiful, beautiful voice. And that was her husband, Ronan. And he's the most amazing composer and arranger and singer as well. And I just want to bring up this lovely picture of Mairead, and I'm going to go to this side. Woo! So I know she has a story about this picture, so she said she was going to come on and explain that, but I think it's so stunning. And I want to do a proper introduction for Mairead because I love her so, so, so very much. Mairead, as you know, was born in Derry in the north of Ireland, and her life has been immersed in music since the early days, and coming from a family whose love of song was passed down to her generation. Derry, my hometown, is a very cultural and musical place. Wherever you turn, there's always music. There's especially true for Mairead's family. She said we'd just sit around the fire and sing and drink tea, and probably Barry's tea. I don't know, maybe. She has toured with the legendary American singer-songwriter Don McLean, including a sellout concert at the Royal Albert Hall. Mairead's voice has been featured on many film soundtracks, including 47 Ronin, Harry Potter, Lord of the Rings, and Alan Partridge. And Mairead has been with the supergroup Celtic woman since 2013, I think, Máiréad it was, and singing with the best symphony orchestras and singing in the best venues worldwide. A motto she has used throughout her career so far is a quote from the award-winning Irish poet Seamus Heaney: "Sing yourself to where the singing comes from." And with that, it is just my absolute honor and privilege to introduce Mairead Carlin. Hi, Mairead.
Hello, my friend.
Oh, thank you so much, Mairead, for coming on. You're so fantastic, and everybody loves you. And what an amazing video that was! And I have another one as well with Ronan, and you know, it's just how amazing everyone is. The musicians are stepping up, but especially you and Ronan.
Oh, Mairead, I have to say, you had me crying with that new video that you released.
Oh!
It is stunning. Like,
And I haven't even, it's very windy here, and I haven't even put it up yet. I just wanted people to have a quick thank you, love. Thank you.
oh, it's
So
gorgeous.
generous. Thank you so much. But listen, Mairead, you said you had a bit of a story about that beautiful photo we were looking at.
That photo, would you believe it, even though I'm giving it full, whack, that was the night that I realized that there was something seriously wrong with me. So I thought that I had a stomach bug.
Yeah.
And that photo was taken, I think that photo was taken in Zurich. And I was really, really sick on stage. But you know the way, Mairead, the show must go on. So you have to just, do your best, even though you're not feeling very well. So after that show, I had an 18-hour bus journey.
Yes.
Budapest. And then I had my appendix out, so, but you never would have known.
You never ever would have known. Absolutely not. And I mean, you're such a trooper. You really are. And I have another beautiful photo here, Mairead. This is a gorgeous photo of you.
I was in fighting health there, so haven't got any appendix issues there.
So beautiful. And do you remember this?
Oh my goodness, Mairead, look at that.
Isn't that a beautiful photo? I'll put it up for people again.
That's
Oh.
I think that was one of my favorite costumes, like the group of costumes that we wore in Celtic Women. It's one of my favorites. The blue.
Absolutely. They're so amazing. And that weekend, Mairead, will you ever forget it? For Destiny, it was the time when we were nominated for a Grammy for Destiny. How incredible was that weekend?
It really was. And you're so cute because I hadn't seen you in ages. And then just to see you there, I got really emotional. But I just want to tell everybody a really funny story. We were sitting in the Grammys, and I was sitting beside Mairead because we're joined to the hip. Whenever we're together, it's literally like we're attached. And Mairead was like, you were squeezing my hand so tight, and then we hadn't even considered that there was a possibility that we could have won. We were just grateful that we were there for the nomination. And the next thing, Mairead turns to me, she goes, "What are we going to say if we win? Who's going to say it?" And we were trying to figure out who was going to say what if we got up on stage. It was like, oh, we hadn't even thought that far. We're just happy to be here.
I know, we were so happy to be there, and that's right. I mean, I remember, sure, look, it's great to be here, isn't it? And then the look of terror came across all of us, and we were all looking at each other.
What am I going to say?
Who was going to talk or anything, and here is this, oh wow, this beautiful photo in front of the Grammy sign.
Again, beside each other, joined at the hip.
Oh my gosh, what a weekend. And here's us having the laughs. I think that was the day before, right?
That was the party, wasn't it? That was the Grammy party.
That was the Grammy party, and just wonderful. And
yeah.
Oh God, is that way? Oh, and one more, and there's us.
I love that one. That's one of my favorites.
Posting our achievements. Oh my gosh, and just the achievement for being there and to have the Grammy medallion. Yeah. I think it was made by Tiffany, wasn't it? Made by Tiffany's. And oh my goodness, it's just incredible. I still have to hang that up.
No, mine's still in the box, and I have to
Yours.
tell you something. I shouldn't admit this, but I've moved house like 3 times since then, and I thought it had gone missing.
Oh my gosh.
I was so upset. Ronan will tell you, I was crying. I was like, how can I be, like, how can I misplace something as precious and as important as this?
No.
And the next thing I checked it as if I had put it away. Do you know when you put something away for safekeeping?
Yes, I do.
Well, that it's like too safe. Well, I know exactly where it is now, but do you know that moment where your heart just drops?
Oh my gosh, what an amazing time. And I had the pleasure, Mairead, of being on tour with you for a few years, because I've been in Celtic Woman since the very beginning. And I tell you what, when you came in, I was just so delighted. And you're just such a generous spirit, and you keep everyone uplifted, and you're so amazing. And what a voice. Incredible. I mean, I just treasured those years, Mairead.
Yeah, so you're certainly one of the most special people that I've ever met, Mairead. And I'm very honest, and I wear my heart on my sleeve. And I'm just so grateful that I met you, and you're just so talented, so special, but you're just an incredible spirit. And I do miss you. I miss you dearly on the road, and just your energy and your vibe, and just your little giggles, and your cups of tea, and your dark chocolate.
Oh, the dark chocolate is very important. That's very important. But listen, and we're going to go to comments in a minute, because I'd say they're exploding. I just wanted, us to have the chats first and everything. So I did go through my phone, Mairead, and I found a humdinger of a photo.
What did you find?
I found this. This is when go that way, so you go in the middle. So.
Oh, right!
There's us with our cowboy hats on, everyone.
Isn't that's in San Antonio, is it?
I think so. Yeah. I have no idea where it is. But you know what? It's just that's what I get for going through my phone. But I love keeping these photos, because they're memories. They're so precious, so precious. And so look, let's go to comments. And just see what's going on here. Hi, Mairead. Fox. And Mairead. M by M squared. Behind the scenes. Oh, thanks, Perry. Yes.
She's the better, Mairead.
No, not at all. So Stephen, look, I missed you in New Brunswick, so he'll get to see you again. Oh, what is your favorite song to play that Mairead Carlin should sing? Oh, we've loads, haven't we, Mairead?
I have my favorite that we've done. Manona Heron.
Of course. Manona Heron.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I love Manona Heron. And just for people, translated, Manona Heron means Women of Ireland. Women of Ireland. So I love that song too. An awesome photo of you both. Thanks a million. That must be the cowboy hats.
We're wearing cowboy boots.
That is cute cowboy hats, Mairead. Oh my goodness. Hi, girls from Brazil, and we love Brazil. Yeah, we really do. And can't wait to see you on tour when it resumes next year. I know. And we're going to be talking about that shortly. So, oh my God, you are so, as I am, excited, I'm sure, about the new Celtic Woman CD celebration. Wow. That's going to be amazing, because it celebrates 15 years of music.
I know, Mairead, can you believe it?
I can't.
I'm in the group 8 years now coming up, and 15 years of a legacy. And you were there from the very beginning. You were there watching it grow, and what it must feel like to see it 15 years on, and all the amazing people that have come through it. But you are an integral part of all that. It's amazing.
Oh, thanks, Mairead. I mean, it's just how did they manage 2 Maireads on tour? We're easy to manage.
You're going to be fair, Mairead. about you, Mairead? I don't know.
Lovely girls. Greetings from Switzerland. Hope to see you all together again. And we're yeah. I mean, you've done the Tuesday takeovers too on Celtic Woman's Facebook page, and the Instagram, the Twitters, and I'm doing it tomorrow.
Yeah, I'm so happy you're doing it. It's brilliant.
Oh my God, I'm going to be firing phones and computers around the place. So. Get your questions ready. Get your questions ready. And so lovely seeing you two. You definitely need to collaborate more. Yes, we do. And of course, Mairead has the most amazing accolades, and her beautiful solo album, and all the albums of Celtic Woman, and every album with Celtic Woman have done so well. And it's thanks to all our fans out there, Mairead, isn't it? I call them my family. What about you?
Yeah, they're so important. Like, well, you've always said, like, the audience are the fifth member of Celtic Woman, or the sixth member, depending which year you were in Celtic Woman.
Exactly.
But we wouldn't be here at the end of the day without you guys. You're so important to us, and especially now, actually, when you take time to actually remove yourself from being on the road, you realize just how important the fans are, because this has been a testing time for all of us. And just getting those little messages in every day saying we can't wait to see you again, and we can't wait to see you again. So the same for you too, isn't it, Mairead?
Absolutely, Mairead. I mean, it's just, I can't wait to, because I went to one of the concerts last year when you were over, and I got to meet up with all you guys, and we had such a great 2 nights. It
was brilliant, and it was just so fun, and we all just kind of
yeah, and I just want to kind of meet up again tomorrow, and meet up next year, when you guys are back on tour. But you're going to be back on tour again for the maybe for the Christmas tour, right?
Well, we hope so. Obviously things are out of our hands at the moment. So, but the thing is, it's still planning to go ahead. We're going full steam ahead, and we're hoping that will remain in place. And like, the world is, like I said, out of our hands, but we're hoping, fingers crossed.
Yeah, I mean, I think you're doing, I obviously we follow each other on socials and everything, and you're doing so well, and Ronan as well, doing so amazing on your socials, and just keeping everyone, as I said, uplifted. But all your collaborations are incredible, and we did one together recently, guys. We did one together recently, and it was arranged by the brilliant Ronan Scollard, and featuring Mairead Carlin, it has to be said, featuring Mairead Carlin, and featuring Kevin McKidd from Grey's Anatomy. I didn't know he could sing. He's a nice singer.
He's a good singer. He's more than a good singer, isn't he? Because I'd heard him on the Space. It was a thing called the Space Side Sessions, which it's so weird, because I was meant to do the original Space Side Sessions and I never got a chance to. And it was my friend Jamie who had set it up initially, and he's really good friends with Kevin the kid. So when the COVID hit, Kevin and Jamie wanted to do something to give back, and then so Jamie got in contact with me, and I was like, I'm getting Mairead Nesbitt involved in this one now. So then I love that it's opened this whole other world, this whole other folky world. And I actually think it's only the very beginning of that. I think great things will come from these collaborations, and great friends as well,
Great friends, great causes, because this collaboration, as most of them are for COVID relief funds. And this particular one was for the Trussell Trust food banks in the UK, and I'd love to play a little bit of it, and I hope you guys enjoy this. This is, wait till you hear Mairead in this. Wow.
Oh, goodness.
Leave a light on for the many. Leave a light on for the few. for the time when we are ready to be guided home to you. Leave a light on all the way. Leave a light on
How amazing was that? I thank you so very much, guys, for bringing me into that, because that was what a beautiful song.
Oh, it is a beautiful song. When we first heard it, I think I was pretty floored because of the message. But you know what I love? I've always loved this, but I call it your Jimi Hendrix moment. When you like scrub the strings on the fiddle. Oh, Mairead, I love that. You're so special. You're so talented.
Oh my! It's just that's like the classical heads call it the sul ponticello. When you have that screech against the bridge, and then I just call it my Jimi Hendrix effect.
I'll go with that one. I love Jimi Hendrix.
Oh, good. Well, yeah, I do too. Oh, there's some great comments coming in. What a beautiful collaboration, and thank you guys for being here. And wow. So listen, Mairead, what's next now? Is there any more collaborations coming up? I have a lovely video of you anyway doing your collaborations, but I know you always have something going on.
I actually am doing a really cool collaboration with a guy called Chris Difford. He was in the band Squeeze. I don't know if people know Jules Holland, but he basically does these songwriting camps. But he decided to do one online. So there's like 20 of us, 20 musicians, and we were paired up. So there's some amazing people on there. Beth Nielsen Chapman's doing a song. There's loads and loads of different people. Huerding, who writes a lot with the folk singer called Eddie Reader. And I love Eddie Reader so much. But I'm actually paired up, and Chris Difford didn't know this whenever he paired us up, but another girl from Derry called Ro.
Oh yeah.
So we were paired up, and we've been writing a song together over the last week. So it's really different because we're very different artists. Like, she's very much electro pop.
Yeah.
I'm obviously folk-y/Americana-y classical thing. But it's been so nice, and the proceeds for that will go to people on the front line as well. So trying our best, to try and raise money through music and collaborations.
Absolutely. Yeah. And it's just, Mairead, it's just great that people really, it's now that people need money, really, more than ever, and just to keep going. And, it's, it's great. I mean, I love doing the collaborations as well with people, and it just brings me such joy as well. And especially when I got to do that with you and Ronan. It was great.
And I just want to do more of that, Mairead, honestly. And I just miss singing with you as well. Do you know what I found the other day?
What did you find?
I was going through my emails and I was trying to find stuff, and I was like, oh my goodness, remember the track that we did in Australia with Brian McGrain? It was called Song for Janice.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
I do remember that. Oh my God.
I know.
I don't have it. I don't have that.
I'll send you.
Send it to me and I'll play it one of the weeks. That'll be fantastic. Thank you so much. And so really, I guess we just kind of always sync, Mairead, don't we? We always we just pick up where we left off all the time. And I know you're really busy now, and I know people want to have you on all night, but we're just going to look at a few more comments and just see. Yes, please. Sing for Mairead. Oh, hi from New Hampshire. And we do have another video, and we have, yes, Ronan is so amazingly talented. Yes, he is.
He's currently playing, I think he's playing electric guitar upstairs. I can hear him.
That's amazing. That is amazing. What do either of you think you'll have shows going on this summer? Well, what do you think, Mairead, for yourself first? Basically,
It's hard to know. Like, we can't really plan anything until
yeah.
The world kind of goes slightly back to normal. We actually, for hope for people all around the world, today in Ireland, our 5 kilometer radius was opened up to 20. So I went into town today and I had my little face mask on and I got a coffee from an independent coffee shop and I felt really normal again. I felt like life was maybe resuming a little bit. So that's hopeful, isn't it?
It is hopeful. It absolutely is hopeful. And I'm being caught on the hop now but my friend Tiffany Lauren. Okay, now our favorite memories. Oh my goodness. There's so many. There's just so many, isn't there? Together.
I truthfully, it's not even like, for me, it's not even like shows or anything like that. It's actually just getting to know you as a friend. Like our little nights when we would sit up and chat on the tour bus and those kind of things. And
I know, and they were great talks.
Yeah. Putting the world to rights. But performing with you on stage as well, Mairead. I mean, what an honor. You know, I have always looked up to you. And
Mairead. Look, back at you, and I just I think all my favorite times too were off the tour bus. People are saying, oh, what's it like being on tour? It's hard work, guys. It's hard work. But the best thing is being in front of an audience with Mairead Carlin and all these girls on stage. It's just absolutely amazing. And you just couldn't ask for better, and the audiences as well are always amazing for us. They really are, aren't they, Mairead?
Yeah, I think there's something really special about the audiences that we have because it's almost as if they're on stage with you. I don't think audiences realize how important they are to how you feel on stage. Like sometimes they feel like they're not, part of the show, but they are absolutely part of the show, aren't they?
That's right. I'm about to take flight here.
So when you look great though, it's like a wind machine.
If it's going this direction, it would be great, It'd be like Beyonce and stuff,
I'll just pretend that I have the same wind machine. Yeah.
So Niamh Murphy says, yay for Ireland. Absolutely, yay for Ireland. Aloha from Hawaii.
Goodness. Well, don't you, Mairead?
I know. Oh, look, you are like magic. And Mairead, what are you drinking there, Mairead? A cup of tea?
Tea. And actually, there's a bit of lipstick on it. I'll rub it off so it doesn't look horrible. But it says on this side, hope.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Oh, Mairead, love your Fields of Athenry. Well, she sings every song. Absolutely amazing. That's David Overmeyer. Oh, thanks for the best Mairead Mondays ever. I know, right? How am I going to top this? I mean, Oh. Greetings from Mexico. Yay. Oh my goodness. Mairead, I mean, I just, please everyone follow. Obviously you do, but follow Mairead on all her socials. She has obviously got great, viewership and everything, all her socials and her Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and all that. And I just, it's just so exciting for me to have you on, Mairead. I really, really appreciate it. I don't want to let you go. I know you're busy and I don't want to let you go. We were so, oh my goodness, 5 celebrations shows in Florida. They saw Greetings from France. Top it. Woo! We love Lisa. Love your smile, Mairead Carlin. I love her smile too. Oh, Mairead, oh my gosh. Well, look, you're so good for coming on, and I know you've other stuff to be doing now, and really, I appreciate it so much. And we have an amazing performance from you and Ronan here, and I want to really, really thank you so much. I love you so very much. And I'm going to catch up with you during the week.
Yes,
Okay.
100%.
Yes. And big love to Ronan, okay? And
Thank you, darling.
listen, thank you so much.
Thank you for having me on. I feel so honoured. Thank you so much. I love you the best.
Oh, I love you to bits too, Mairead. Have a great night, okay? It's 5 hours ahead there. Mwah.
Love you so much.
Bye.
Thank you. Bye, darling.
Oh, and now I have a gorgeous performance from Mairead and Ronan. Wait till you hear this. This is so stunning.
Kiss me out of the bearded barley nightly, beside the green, green grass. Swing, swing, swing your spinning step. You wear the shoes and I will wear the dress. Oh, kiss me
beneath the milky twilight.
lead me out on the moonlit floor. Lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so kiss me.
Kiss me down by the broken tree house. Swing me upon its hanging tire. Bring your flowered hat. We'll take the trail marked on your father's map. Oh, kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me
Out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling,
so kiss me. Kiss me beneath the milky twilight. Lead me
out on the moonlit floor, lift your open hand, strike up the band and make the fireflies dance. Silver moon sparkling, so
kiss me. I fudged the last thing.
I'd love to play another tune from my mother, Kathleen Nesbitt's fiddle tutorial on CD, and it is on viola this time, why not? And this tune is a beautiful slow air fun mal, and it is a version of Sean O'Dare on Glana, John of the Glen, and I have that slow air on my CD, my Hibernia CD, but this is a different version, and it's on page 49 of the fiddle tutorial. Hope you like it.